The Ulefone Armor X31 Pro versus the X32 Pro. What are the differences between both 5G rugged beasts? In this video, I'll be comparing the specs of both devices so we can find out the differences and similarities between both 5G rugged phones. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go, guys, the Armor X31 Pro versus the Armor X32 Pro. The X32 Pro isn't released yet, but it is expected to launch officially in March, but the X31 Pro is already available on multiple online stores. Anyway, what do you think about both 5G rugged phones? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.